Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are from section 1, group D. We are 4 group members. They are Mahfuz, Abid, Tanveer, and Said myself. This time we have come up with a system named Kulya Inventory Management System. This is our use case diagram. We have 3 actors and 6 use cases here. I'm Said Zafar Huda. I'm going to describe manage inventory status by technical staff. This is the use case specification for managing inventory status. The objective of this use case is to manage inventory to allow technical staff for maintenance. The precondition of entering the system is to log in as technical staff. This is the basic flow for this use case. Firstly, user selects category, type. Next, he selects inventory ID. Then when the user requests for submission, system displays the information such as inventory ID, name, category, quantity, and so on. Users are only allowed to update the location, the number of faulty, and if he has any comment, he can add it here. When he goes for confirmations, system shows a pop-up message, written inventory updated. In this case, we have one exception flow. Cause if user inputs the faulty inventory which causes the total number of that certain inventory. Now the post condition is to update. And the business rule is it should be updated time to time. This is the login page of our system named iMazone. Here user needs to type his name. Assume the name is Ahmed. And here we have the hidden password here. Now by clicking submit button, we proceed to the next page. Here he has to select the category, the type, and the inventory ID. By submitting, it proceeds to the next page. Here, for example, the location is LT05 level 5. Number of item is 1. And he can add any comment if he wants to. We're going with the comments. Now, it's all done. Now confirm button is clicked. A pop-up message will be shown. If he clicks OK button, it takes him to the home page. This is the testing part of manage inventory status. Here we are testing the number of faulty inventory. We are following equivalence partitioning technique. Here we have one valid class which is from 1 to total number of inventory. For example, total number of inventory is 40. User enters the number of faulty is 10. So the status is passed. On the other hand, we have two invalid classes. One is if the number is less than 1, and the another one is if the number is greater than total number of inventory. For example, if the user enters number of faulty is 0 or 100, it means it's invalid number of inventory. Thus, the status is passed.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahfuz Alahi. I am going to explain manage inventory records and check complaints by admin. This is use case narrative for manage inventory records. By this use case, admin can add, update or delete records of inventory. Precondition is login into the system as admin. In basic flow, user requests to manage inventory records, then system displays a page to select category, type, and inventory ID. When user selects these options and clicks on search button, a page contains inventory ID, type, category, and so on will be shown. If user edits information and requests to update, system updates this information and a pop-up message will be shown. We have alternate flow here. First one is add new inventory, which is the alternate for step 2. In this flow, system displays a form to fill up. User needs to fill up those forms and request to add. System will add the information. Another alternate flow is delete for step 4. In this flow, user shall delete information. Moreover, we have an exception flow, which is abort process. System will not update to the database. And we have post condition like inventory created or updated or deleted. And business rule is here each inventory must have one unique ID and each inventory must be categorized by types. This is the home page of admin interface. In order to add new inventory, admin shall click on Add New Inventory button. Here a form is appeared. Admin shall fill up all the fields. When he finished filling up all the information, he shall click on Add button. Then a pop-up message will be shown. Back to the home page. To update or delete, admin shall choose category, then type, and then inventory ID. Then he shall click on search button. This page contains all the information. He may edit any information, for example quantity. Then he shall click on update button. A pop-up message will be shown. On the other hand, if he wants to delete all the information, he shall click on delete button. And then if he wishes to delete, then he should click on yes button. When he clicks on OK button, it will take on to the home page. Let's move on to another use case, which is check complaints. By this use case, admin is able to check complaints from the technical staffs. Precondition is login. First, the system shows a list of complaints. Then from the list, he can select a complaint. The system will show the details of that complaint. Post condition is displayed complaint, and the business rule is admin shall check complaints time to time. On the right side of the home page, there is a list of complaints. If he clicks on a complaint, details of that complaint is shown. When he clicks on the OK button, it will take to the home page. That's all from my side. Thank you.